What is happening, everybody? TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com, and apparently we're doing very well because I'm getting used to being shot now again. I need to take that home. Greg is too obsessed with shooting me. So today we've got some new products for a global launch coming up on Tuesday, October the 4th. These will be available Tuesday, October the 4th. And I'm here to tell you, we're talking about real innovation here. We're not talking about somebody who just looks through a catalog and picks patterns out. We're talking about people who truly innovate the market. And I mean, this right here, this guy is one of the most brilliant minds I have ever seen when it comes to marketing and when it comes to seeing a need in the market and filling that need. This guy is amazing. We're going to talk about it in just a minute. Before we do, though, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that notification bell so you will know when we drop new videos and talk about innovative products like this. Now, without further ado, let's light it up. First up on this launch, and who we're talking about Ben Peterson. We're talking about Knafs. So Ben Peterson, as many of you know, designer of the Wee Banter and the Baby Banter, and he's also had some very popular posters of knife components, things like that. He has done a phenomenal job at looking at the market and seeing a need in the market and actually creating something simple, useful, and affordable to fill that need. And I think that is amazing. And this is one of those products. So this is one of the new products. This is going to be the Knafs Co. Tool Burrito. And I think this is really cool. So it's got the toggle right here. We're going to show that up close. So we've got the toggle right here. Undo the toggle. Now, this is magnetic right here at the top point. Open that up. Two more magnets right here. Open that. Fold it open. And here you've got your lower flap. Then you've got your, and I'm going to pick this up and show it. So we've got pockets here, two pockets. Then we've got four different segments of elastic bands right there, and then two within each of those smaller ones for tools. Then you've got a pouch right here for all your smaller stuff as well, a zippered pouch. So that is a really, really cool, and you know, we were talking earlier today about this product and how it's not overly complicated. It's been very, very simplified to make this easy to use and yet still be super functional. So this one's coming in, I believe, at about $38, and a very useful, like I said, tool burrito. I'm definitely going to be getting one to hold all of my knife tools that I have, including my sharpener, my disassembly tool. Right now I'm going to be using this Kershaw, which we've got something to show you guys coming up in just a moment for that. So next up on this global launch, and you guys have been really waiting on this one, this is the Lander right here. So $34.99 on that tool burrito. This is the Lander right here, and I know a ton of people have been waiting on the launch of this Lander. This is really cool. So another design by Ben Peterson. This is the Lander with his emblem on it. So this is a Knafs knife. And the cool thing about this one is, and why a lot of people have been waiting on this, is the scales are quick swap scales and they're open source. So what that means is when you take the scales off of this knife, the knife doesn't come apart like any other knife does. The knife stays completely intact, so you can literally take 4 screws out of each side. The scales come off, new scales go on. In addition to that, They are open source. So if you've got a 3D printer, you can go online, download the dimensions, and 3D print your own scales, whatever you want on them, however you want to do them. And it's a phenomenal action on that. We're talking D2 tool steel on this, and they pop open super easy, coming in at $58. So again, very useful product, fills a need in the market, and it's very, very affordable. Absolutely digging these things. Now, I'm going to show it to you up close. So like I said, D2 on the tool steel right there. It's got a reversible tip-up pocket clip. You can see the liners in there. It is a liner lock. And like I said, that pocket clip is reversible. Ambi thumb studs flicks out super easy right there. And I'm going to show you now just how easy it is to remove these scales and put new ones on. I'm actually going to be putting the JG10 handle scales on this one because I absolutely love JG10. Everybody knows it. Greg's getting tired of hearing it. But I'm going to be swapping out the black scales on this one for the JG10 right here, and you're going to see just how easy that is. So, now you do have to pay attention to which screws you put where because they aren't interchangeable. The scale screws themselves have a different head on them than the screws do for the pocket clip. All right, so just like that, the scale is swapped on that side right there. Already swapped. Done. That's how easy this is, folks. This is unbelievable. Nobody has made anything this easy yet. And like I said, they're open source. Nobody's done that either. So, yes, you can take a knife that's on the market today and you can find some aftermarket scales. Some companies have figured out the dimensions, that kind of thing. These, you can actually go ahead and just download the dimensions and you can make them however you want to, whatever color you want to in the rainbow. That is phenomenal. So, folks, these are going to be available, like I said, Tuesday, October the 4th. So check them out. They're going to be available on our website. All you got to do is click the links in the description below. You can find both of these, the black version with the black coated blade, as well as the blue handle G10 version with the non-coated stonewash finish blade right there. Like I said, D2 on the blade steel. Phenomenal action. Those are coming in at 58. 34 on the tool burrito. And then for the scales, now we've got the scales in the JG10. We've got them in white and we've got them in black. So if you want to get, the non-coated blade and get some black scales, the scales are going to be $29. So you can get those from us as well. Like I said, all you got to do is click the link in the description below. It's that simple, folks. We're talking about actual innovation right here, and that's phenomenal. And we are really looking forward to seeing Ben Peterson at Blade Show West coming up next weekend. So stay tuned. We've got a lot of stuff coming from Blade Show West. We'll see you then, folks. As always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And remember, if it cuts like Knaf's, then we carry it. You love me. Do not tell me you don't. Do not tell me. Yeah, you can't figure that out, can you? Oh, like that, didn't you? All right, folks. So we've got some new products here that are coming out on the 4th, and we're really excited to bring them to you. First of all, I got to figure out what products those are.